Hi friends, I want to make sure the video's going. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm going to do a little unboxing today. Okay. Okay, so it's the Angel Tarot cards. So excited because I love the artwork that is on my other angel cards. So this is exciting. Cannot wait to see them. So I thought maybe you'd enjoy my sharing them. It's really interesting how two people that I watch on YouTube, one is Jane the Seeker and the other is Whimsy, and they both had fairies flying around while they were giving readings within the last week. And I didn't even believe in fairies until I saw it with my own eyes. Anyway, yeah, Dr. Whimsy is amazing. And I feel so happy when I get up and watch Jane the Seeker every day. It just gets me off to a good start. And she's the one that got me so interested in angels. Usually I just ask for signs and that kind of thing, ask to hear what I need to hear, but I never thought of it in terms of angels specifically. So I'm going to be learning more about that, just to expand on the tarot. And I was also excited to see these are not just angel cards, these are also the tarot. Artwork by Stephen A. Roberts. See if these are as pretty as my other angel cards. My other angel cards, though, they're more for love and getting answers. Okay. All right, the first look. So excited. Okay, there's a nice book. Really love the other books, so I hope this one is just as good. They have them so well packaged, and I love getting them when they're in a box. Really helps me care better for the cards. Oh, nice. So the 0, which is generally the Fool card, it's called the Dreamer. I like that. A leap of faith. Yes, that's when you're taking the leap of faith. When you're in the beginning of your journey on the tarot. Leap of faith, following your dream. Unexpected opportunities. And it's that innocence, not really expecting something in particular to happen. Ooh, how exciting. Well, I'm just gonna they say put them up to your chest, the artwork, and get your energy into them. I'm not sure what order these are in, so I'm just going to cut them. I'm not going to shuffle them because I'm going to study them, so I want them to be in the right order. Okay, so the 5 of Air. Oh, look at the beautiful artwork. Oh, I'm happy I got these. And 5s, it's usually some sort of conflict when you get a flat 5. It says an unwise choice. Learn what you can from the situation and review everyone's motives. Now what I'm going to do, I'm studying now, trying to figure out how to go live on Facebook. So that's another thing I can do before I'm able to get live on YouTube. But I really want to give everybody thanks for subscribing and for sharing my videos. I'm so touched because I really am really trying to get used to doing this. I feel called to do it, and I'm going to do it. I know I'm toothless, I'm older. I don't care. I just want to get some things out there. So if you have any questions, let me know. I love to talk about politics, love to talk about the tarot and different things you're interested in psychically, like the different realms. What are they? Where do we go? What is heaven? Is there a hell? No. I can tell you that now. Anyway, let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to talk about. And as soon as I can go live, I will. And then when you catch me live, well, I'll try to give you some notice so that you know when. And then I can give some personal readings. Okay, well, they'll be public, but they'll be directed exactly toward you rather than the group. So I'm not going to draw cards for a regular reading right now. I'll do that later on. Talk to you soon.